In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a unique and stunning Happy New Year Instagram story for 2026. If you have seen those beautiful New Year stories floating around and wondered how to make one, you are in the right place. First, launch your Instagram. Click on the option Add Story. Now go ahead and select the picture that you want to add in your story. Once you have chosen a photo, zoom in and adjust it to fit nicely on the screen. Next, click on the effects option and choose the blur filter or any of the filter that you would like to use in your picture. Once you are satisfied, tap Done to apply the changes. Now let's add the number 2026. For that, click on the sticker icon. Then select the option GIF. Now search for the numbers. From the list of number option appears, select the one that you want to add to your story. Repeat the process for other numbers as well. Place those numbers. Now for the music, click on the music icon. Now search for the music that you want to add to your story. Once you have selected the music, you can select the music template as well. Here you're gonna find few options. Now I can place the template as well, or also you can hide it. Once you're happy with your design, save the story to your gallery by tapping save. After saving, you can upload it again to your Instagram story with the song playing in the background. You can also add fun elements like a Happy New Year sticker by searching for it in emojis option. So this way you can easily create an Instagram New Year story. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.